research things to look at. I'm going to give you some references. You can thank your crew chief for the first resource. And that first resource is a what, crew chief? What can we find on this sheet?
Qualifying time.
Qualifying times. So when I'm looking at qualifying times, what am I looking for?
Fastest time.
Okay, fastest time. Okay, crew chief, what happens when I have the fastest time?
You get the ball.
Okay, I get the pole. That means I get to start first, right? Drivers like to start first. I like to start first. So, first thing discussion that we need to have is how do I know about what speed I need to run to win the pole for the Wolverine 500?
Need your model, like your model, like horsepower and all that, like your speed.
Okay? But I gotta have something to shoot for.
That line up the wall.
Gotta have your top speed. Yeah, you gotta shoot for top speed.
How do I know? Is there any way to find out what the pole might be this year?
No.
So,
To have a good idea?
Yeah, you have a good idea.
Okay, those poles right there, our car chief says we have at least the last 12 poles, last 12 pole speeds. If I want to know about what the speed is, engineers, what can we do?
I don't average it.
Average it. So, engineers, what's your first task?
Average the whole,
Well, what's the engineer's job?
or make the equation
Make the equation.
to, yeah, do that. Alright,
So right now, chiefs, they're building us an equation to find an average, okay? Marco, while he's putting that together, can you explain to us what average is?
Basically, when you take one number or two numbers, you divide something. Yeah. I see.
You're on the right track
You take two numbers, don't you divide it
at some point.
at some point? I can't remember.
Okay? Ask across the table, see if any of your chiefs know.
Part cruisy, you know.
like addition?
Okay? Addition, division.
Like the total of addition to division?
Okay?
No, wait, isn't it the total of the two numbers that the total of the two numbers that it equals to?
You add up everything and divide by
But okay, I got it. You add up all the numbers and then you divide by how many you have.
Okay, so everybody look at the first resource. Okay, find the column that says pole. For our pole speed, look at those numbers.
Alright,
Okay? Alright, so you're going to have to give that down to our team manager. Team manager, I'm going to show you where you need to record that.
Give the.
Okay?
Are we gonna record it in the way back?
Yep. Okay? You're going to write that pole speed. You're going to write that right there. What we're doing is we're doing our proof. Why is it important that we prove things?
So
so,
you're not lying.
so we make sure that the work's right.
Okay? So that we know that the work's right. Who are we presenting this to?
To you,
Boss.
Stuart Haas.
Stuart Haas is what?
Golf.
Bob.
Team owner. The one that pays your bill.
Who pays me to go for racing?
Your boss.
The sponsors. So we're going to have to prove Stuart Haas's sponsors what's right, what's wrong,
Well, then who's
based off our math. What else should we know about an average? How would we know we'd get the right answer?
Plug it in.
If it is if it's not too, I don't know what the other numbers are. Like if it's reasonable.
Okay, if it's reasonable. Okay, Cam, what might make it a reasonable answer here?
For the poles or for the full speed?
Yeah, for this pole speed. If the answer can't be too high and can't be too low,
It's gotta fit in the middle.
okay, it's got to be right around the middle. So what's our maximum then? Our maximum value. We know it can't be above the maximum
For horsepower
for our pole speed.
or full speed. The max is
136.8081.
Okay, so the max speed, the highest pole speed is 136.
737.
737 miles per hour. Now we have a decision to make. And actually our engineers already made it. And maybe the engineers can answer this question and why you chose to do it this way. Did you choose to average all 12 races?
yes.
Okay. Why did you choose to do all 12 rather than say the last 3?
Because you get more, it's more accurate the more you do it.
Okay. More accurate the more you do it. Okay. Chiefs, do you agree with that statement?
Yeah.
Okay. Could you have done though? And Chiefs, maybe you can debate this. Could you have just taken the last 3 races and averaged the last 3 race pole speeds?
You wouldn't have much data.
Okay, wouldn't have had much data. Okay, crew chief, what's better, more data or less data?
More.
Why?
Because you got more information to go off of.
Okay, more information to go off of. It paints a more clear picture.
Be more accurate.
All right. Now, team manager, this goes off to the engineers, or to the chiefs, excuse me. Chiefs, you need to solve that. You are finding the average. Your engineers tell you that the average is numbers added up, divided by the total number of races.
Yeah.
So both engineers, or both chiefs,
Yeah.
should be doing that math.
Right down when you get to 135.1, I thought those were all 11s, but then I saw this. Then I recognized it as a 4. It's gas.
Okay, go ahead and get into it. Good. You get to. Okay, now you can delay.
4.1008.
Okay,
34 miles.
okay, so now, chiefs, if you agree on that number, that goes down on that piece of paper, then it goes back to the team manager to record.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Okay, then the team manager reports out, what's our shot at a pulse speed? Yeah, what answer did they come up with? And put that and label it with the miles per hour.
I don't know if you quite got the driving skills go on.
134.5.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, I did.
50. My bad.
Say that again?